Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add script to TradingView in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to scripting or want to enhance your trading, this guide has you covered. But before we begin, let's talk about script. script is a built-in scripting language that allows traders to create custom indicators, strategies, and alerts. You can use script to automate signals, backtest strategies, and even build unique trading tools. Interesting, right? Now let's see how you can add script to your TradingView chart. Go to your TradingView and pull out the chart, and here you will see at the bottom, it says Pine Editor. Click that, and here you will see the script. So in this part, you can now copy and paste your script here. If you don't have a script yet, I'll provide a simple RSI-based strategy in the description below. But for now, let me pull up my script, select all, and copy it and paste it in the script. After you have pasted your script, go and click Add Chart, and you will notice it is loading, and there are the changes made. If you want to tweak your script, you can change values like RSI length, colors, or alerts condition directly in the editor. After making changes, make sure that you add to chart again to update it. To keep your script for future use, don't forget to click the Save As button and give it a name. You can also publish the script to share it with the TradingView community. And that's it. You've successfully added the script to TradingView. And if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any specific strategy you'd like me to cover next. See you next time and happy trading!